Welcome to the how-to video series for motorized window coverings. Today I'm going to show you how to set a My position, a most used or favorite position between fully opened and fully closed that will give you the most convenience in use. The process for setting the My is the same no matter what type of motorized window covering you have, whether it's a roller shade, cellular shade, or horizontal blind. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to set the My using a roller shade. Remember that if this shade is operated as part of a group, unplug the other shades in the group before beginning. I'm going to set the My position to stop at the transom above the French doors. However, you can use these same steps to set your My position to the location of your choice. To start, get the remote that operates the shade. Using up or down, put the shade in motion. When it reaches your desired My position, press My to stop the shade. Press and hold My until the shade jogs, which is a brief up and down movement of the shade. It's as simple as that. Your My position is now set. Pressing My while your shade is at rest will send it to your My position. Pressing My while your shade is in motion will simply stop the shade. If you would like to reset your My position, just repeat the steps. Any newly set My position will override the existing ones you have set. Please note that the stop button on Somfy wall switches performs the same function as the My button and is set the same way. Now you know how to set and use your My position button. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other videos in the Motorized Window Coverings How-To series.